Good morning, all of you. Today my topic is online lecture, digital electronic computer organization. Mr. Govind Kumar Gautam, Assistant Professor, IIMT College of Melbourne, Department of BCA. Today is a topic is present here in digital electronic circuit. Digital electronic circuit. The digital electronic gates are the combination of logic gates, De Morgan's theorem, K-map, Karnaugh map, decoders, multiplexers, and digital logic. The totally depending upon this digital circuit design and computer organization, it can say that depending upon this particular the logic gate or 7 gate, the 7 gate are described as different tasks. Otherwise, stick the R instrument is the diode, capacitor, thermostat. Otherwise, other instrument is electronic device, communication channel, satellite, traffic control system, signals, synchronizers, image processing, artificial intelligence. The all devices used for the computer design, detect machine, electronic devices, develop the program used for the digital electronic and computer system. It can see that the memory organization, computer organization, the use for the logic gate. The logic gate basically important concept. If are the studying electronics, these are important digital device. They are mainly based on the Boolean functions. Boolean function. Logic gate are used the carry about in logical operations, single and multiple binary inputs, given binary output, simple terms. Logic gate are the electronic circuit and digital system circuit and digital system. The logic gate is the consider that basically simple terms electronic circuit and digital system. Their basic concept used for the logic gate. There are several logic gates used for performing operation in digital system. The common ones are OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, or XOR gate. Additionally, these gates can be also be found in the combination of 1 or 2. Therefore, they are for weak other gates such as NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, and XNOR gate. The OR gate, we can say that depending upon this particular the OR gate iteration used by the plus operator, the minimum required the minimum 2 input variable is needed, and otherwise 4 variable, 5 variable, just like in the depend upon the Boolean function and Boolean algebra. In an OR gate that and OR gate attain state 1 if one or more input attain state A and B is the input variables and such that the y is equal to A plus B operators. And gate basically they are used for the data operators. The every times used for the data operator, the minimum input variable required is 2 variable, and otherwise the maximum variable is the used for the NAND gate, OR gate, and XOR gate. Special we are basic the simple gate, AND gate or OR gate is the simple gate, universal gate, NAND gate, and NOR gate is the simple universal gate, and special gate other special XOR gate and XNOR gate. Exclusive OR gate. In an XOR gate, the output of 2 outputs attain state 1 if one adds only inputs in attain state 1 input A, input B, input exclusive NOR gate, the output is state 1 when both inputs are the same, that is both The application of logic gate. The application gate have a lot of application, but they are mainly based on their mode of operations of their truth table. Basic logic gate are obtained from the circuits such as safety thermostat, push button locks, automatic watering systems, light activated burglar alarms, and many other electronic devices. Those are considered as applications of rule and regulation of the logic gate. Basically, these are considered that depending upon the some application, the law application mainly used for the operation the truth table. Basically, we are considered that the Boolean function and Boolean algebra and such that De Morgan's theorem. We use De Morgan's theorems to solve the expression of Boolean algebra, just like in the Boolean algebra, the function integrate to the different solving the matters in the two tools used for the digital designs. Every time the digital designs and computer architects designs and digital communication architect design and every important part in the circuit design is explained that complement of the products of all terms and equal to sum of the complements each and every terms. Likewise, the complement of the sum of all the terms are equal to the product of the complement and each and every time. So that the De Morgan's theorem basically major concept of difference between the Boolean functions such that every powerful tools, suppose every powerful tools design in computer designs, machine design, and electronics design, artificial design, big data science design, and it to jet electronic device communication channel, satellite, register, capacitor, diode, they use for De Morgan's theorem. The concept used for the De Morgan's theorem, the basic concept is the Boolean function in the mathematical part and logical operations and number system. Number system basically used for the binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, and decimal number system. Basically, they are major concepts used for the arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication. They use for the logic, get the basic fundamentals right. The such that what are the De Morgan's theorem? Two are the theorems we are suggested by the De Morgan's that are extremely used for the Boolean algebra. These two theorems have been discussed below in the articles. According to the A dot B ka complement is equal to A bar plus B ka bar according to this, and this paragraph is according to A and B. Navigate then vowels according to navigate y is equal to A dot B ka bar. Suppose that this is a navigate. According to K-map, Karnap map, introduced to Karnap map is a numerous digital circuit and other practical problem. Finding expression that have minimum variables become a prescriptive. In such case, minimization of Boolean expression is possible that have 3 and 4 variables. It can be done using a Karnap map without using any theorems or Boolean algebra. The K-map can easily take two forms, namely sum of products, sum of product, and product of sum. Product of sum according to what we need in the problems. K-map with the representation that tables like, but if I give more data than the truth table, will a grid of K-map with first and 0. They solve it creating various group. The K-map basically concept used for digital electronic circuit, number of numerous elements and practical problem finding expression and minimum variable became the Boolean expression. It can say that depending upon the K-map according to digital electronic, the major consists the mean terms, max term, and SOP and POs. According to given the variables, 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variables, so that the different tasks according to different roles and different platform, you consider that solving the problem which is for the K-map. It can say that depending upon this particular, such that the K map according to the different tools used for the problem solving and variable solving, such that used for the number system in according to two variable, just like the use for the formula according to number system 2k power 2 is equal to 4. So you can say that required the 4 cells, 2k power 3 variable according to required the cell of the 8 cell, 2k power 4 variable according to required the 16 cell, just like in the number system, and indicate the variable in create the graph and create the designing the computer architects programs and development programs and other satellite programs, and just like the through just and different particular solving systems. Solving an expression using a K-map. Basically used for the K-map, here are the steps that are used to solve an expression using the K-map methods. The first point is denoted by the slack K-map according to total number of variables. Point 2 denoted by the identify the max terms, min terms, and given in the problem. For this SOP, sum of product to the one is the blocks of the K-map with the respect to min terms elsewhere 0. For the POs, putting the 0 in the block of K-map with respect basically used for K-map, such that according to use for the difference variable and time for the kind of identify the min terms, max terms given the problem. The given function variables, Boolean functions, variables, logical operations, variables, putting every time min terms, the put the value on cell, the price, put the value to sum of product and product also. It means sum of product just like in min terms, product of sum just like in the max terms. Don't care condition that every time is used for cell in position min terms and max term according to put the value 1 and 0. Otherwise, value is the putting the ZX and making the rectangle with the content the total terms in power such as 2 to 8 jet 1 try cover many numbers of elements and scan the single group such that sum of product from three variables with the mean terms we are 2k power 3 is equal to 8 cell according to needed the 8 cell and A and B will C A complement, B complement, C complement, and otherwise they depend upon this create the graphics. Four variable according to K man, F A B C D is equal to sigma bracket 0 to 5 7 8 10 30 15. According to K map, we create the diagram 2k power 4 is equal to 8 16 cell. The first cell A, B, C, D according to A complement, B complement 0 0 according to A complement, B complement C, just like the create the cells and positions and K might assume to connected to we can make group this way. This point is said below that number system handout is numerical number systems is the first 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 is the position is identified as we that take next element group. So we have the made one group equivalents to not two group and equivalents to such that Decoder is a combinational circuit that has n input line and maximum two output line. Once those output will be active high based in the combination of inputs present with the decodes in enable. That means decode detects particular codes. The output decoder are nothing the mean terms of n input variables line when it's the enables 2.24 decoders. Let 2 to 4 decoder has two inputs A1, A0 and four outputs Y2, Y2, Y1 and Y0. The block diagram of 2 to 4 decodes shown the following figures A1, A0, 2 to 4 decode Y3, Y2, Y1 and Y0. Multiplexer in digital logic, it combinational circuit, we have many data inputs, single output, depending on the control or select inputs or n input line log page 2 selection line, or we can say that for 2n input line, n selection line required multiplexer are also known as data selector, parallel to serial converter, main into one circuit, universal logic circuit, multiplexer are mainly used to increase amount of data that can be sent over the network within create certain amount of time and bandwidth. Basically used by the multiplexers. The multiple input line required and one output is depend upon the selection line, and this figure is denoted by I0, I1, I2, I3, 4 to the 1 marks and Y is equal to S1, S0 is selection line and control line, and such that in given the inputs independent the multiplexers. The advantage and disadvantage of multiplexer in digital logic. Advantage of multiplexers in digital logic. First, space-saving multiplexers consider numerous signs to be directed through the solitary channels, which recovers space in computerized circuit. To cost successful multiplexer can assist with the decreasing the expense of advanced circuit by diminishing the quantity of power required. Time saving multiplexer can save time in computerized circuit by decreasing the quantity of part that should be wired together, subsequently diminishing the intricacy of circuit flexibility. Multiplexer are profoundly adaptable and can utilize in great many applications, basically used for advantage and disadvantage multiplexer system. Disadvantage of multiplexer in digital logic here. Limited number of data sources, the quantity of source of input that can taken care of by multiplexer restricted by the quantity of control lines which can be derived in certain applications. Point 2 denoted by delay. Delay multiplexer can present some postpone in the sine wave which can influence the exhibition of circuit. Point 3 is denoted by complex control rational. The control rational for multiplexer can be perplexing, particularly for users. Multiplexer with enormous number of data sources. 4 point denoted by power utilization. Multiplexer can be consume more power contrasted with other straightforward rational entryways, particularly when they have countless data sources because they sometimes echo according to memory presentations, sequential circuit designs, and overview of the number system, primary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, and depends upon the other step, including the part of the digital electronics communication channel, media, register, capacitor, other instrument and such that the use for the part of decoders and such that